my dear students. So come to today's class. Today I will start your lesson number 6, simple equations. Okay, so simple equations, one chapter related to simple equations or equations already all of you did in class 6. Okay, so again in this in class 7, in lesson number 6, you have to solve the questions related to the simple equations. So at first we will learn about statements. Okay, so there are two types of statements. One is ordinary and one is mathematical. Okay, so one is ordinary statement and one is mathematical statement. So all of you see your book, the page number 56. Okay, so ordinary statements, the statements which are supposed given in language, given in word, they are known as ordinary. So in your book is given that, suppose look at this one, Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, suppose Guwahati is the capital of, Dispur is the capital of, Dispur is the capital of suppose Assam. Okay, suppose one expression is 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, so both are actually statements. The first statement is, suppose Dispur is the capital of Assam, suppose Delhi is the capital of India. That type of statements is known as ordinary statement. Okay, and look at this one. In this case, we are doing a sum, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. That means mathematically we explain the statement, and this statement is known as mathematical statement. So look at this one. Look at your book. Out of these 4 statements, 1 and 4, that is, 1 is Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh and 4 is the Indian cricket team won the World Cup. Okay, 1 and 4 under the category of ordinary statements and 2 and 3 fall under the category of mathematical statements. 2 was 3 plus 7 equal to 10 and 3 was 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, so the mathematical statement can further be classified as numerical statement and algebraic statement. Again, mathematical statement, this one. Again, this one is classified in 2 categories. Okay, one is what? Numerical statement, numerical, and this one is algebraic. Okay, numerical means like this one, 3 plus 5 equal to 8, suppose 10 minus 2 equal to 8. This type of statement is numerical. Okay, and algebraic, suppose 2x plus 3 equal to 7, 3y plus 4 equal to 9, suppose x equal to 4. This type of statement is known as algebraic statements, that is the variable x, y are present. Okay, and both numerical and algebraic statements belong to the mathematical statement. Okay, at first statement was classified in 2 categories. One is ordinary statement, one is mathematical statement. Okay, ordinary is like this one, word or sentence. Okay, and this one is mathematical expression. Again, mathematical statement classified into another 2 categories. One is numerical and one is algebraic. Numerical is directly numbers present here, and algebraic is like this. So this one, look at your book. Numerical statement like 3 plus 4 7, less than or greater than symbol you can also use, and algebraic statement suppose the presence of the variables. Okay, so now the second part is linear expression. Okay, so second important topic is linear expression. Expression all of you know, I think, but the new word is linear. Okay, so look at this one. A mathematical statement that performs functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is known as linear expression. You have to write this one. A mathematical statement statement that performs functions of addition, that performs function of addition, subtraction, multiplication multiplication and division is known as linear expression, and division is known as linear expression. Okay, that means an expression, a mathematical statement that performs functions of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is known as linear expression. So all of you easily can give the example. Suppose one is 2x plus 3 equal 4. In this case, addition of two function. Okay, suppose one is x minus 5 equal to 7. Okay, suppose 3x equal to 9. Okay, again suppose you can give a division also. X by 4 equal to suppose 16, like this. Okay, these are the examples of linear expression. Okay, so now come to the, okay, actually I am writing this actually linear expression of equation. If you do not give the equal symbol, these are the example of linear expression. Now if you give the equal symbol, then it belongs to the next part, equation. Okay, I will also explain the equation. So this one 2x plus 3 is addition of two functions, suppose subtraction of two functions, multiplication of two functions, division of two functions. These are known as linear expression. Okay, so now come to the equation part. Okay, equation means in between two statements there must be an equation, equal symbol. Okay, so listen, the statement containing the sign of equality are known as the equation. Okay, an equation contains certain retail numbers known as variables or unknown. So you can write this one, the statement containing the sign of equality, the sign of equality. Equality means this equal symbol. Okay, the sign of equality are known as the equations. Are known as the equations. Okay, that means in between the statement containing the sign of equality, that means in between two variables or anything, suppose there is a equal symbol, that in belongs to equation. Okay, suppose for example, suppose x equal to 4. This is the equation, because actually this belongs to statement, mathematical statement, but in this case this statement has an equal symbol. Okay, suppose we have 2x plus 7 equal to 11. This is an equation. Suppose y plus 4 equal to 10. These are the equation because the statement having the equal symbol. Okay, so in this case you have to solve a question related to the equations. So the next important one is what? Linear equations and next variables. So linear equation is very easy, except that is belong to linear equations. Okay, linear equations means, okay, this one, a mathematical expression that has an equal sign and linear expression is known as linear equations. Okay, a mathematical expression that has an equal sign and linear expression, that has an equal sign and linear expression. Already we learned about the linear expression. Expression is known as linear equation. Or in higher classes you will learn about the degree, that when the degree of an equation is 1, not greater than 1. Okay, so you learn in higher classes. So in class 7 you just remember like this: a mathematical expression that has an equal sign and the linear expression is known as linear equations. Okay, so example x plus 3 equal to 7, x plus 4 equal to 8, suppose like this. Okay, for examples, suppose, okay, one again, another is given, another important part is given here. An equation with one variable is known as linear equation in one variable. Sometimes question belongs to 1 mark, will ask you that what do you mean by linear equation in one variable. That means a linear equation having one variable is known as linear equation in one variable. Okay, so the last term is variable. I think all of you know about the variable, that x, y, that z, t belongs to variable. Okay, so variable. So look at this one. Variables in linear equations, they must follow three criteria. Look at this one. Cannot have expressions or powers. For example, x is square of x square like this. Okay, in linear expression, that means already I am discussing about this one. I am writing like this one, 2x plus 2 plus 7, not writing x square or x cube like this. So that means the first thing, that the power must be equal to 1. Okay, cannot be 2, 3 like this. The next one is cannot multiply or divide each by the variable. It means you cannot write like this, x by y or y by x. Variable you cannot divide. Okay, and the last one is cannot be found in the root over sign. Again, variables cannot be found in the under root over sign. Under root. Okay, these three criteria you have to follow, and following these three criteria, the x, y, z, these are known as the variables. Okay, so in my second video I will start your exercise 6.1. okay.